Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday. It's not very hot. A couple of days ago, it was 45 degrees. Today, we're doing a bit of maintenance in and around the tub. We have purchased another Dometic CFX 525 litre, which we're actually turning it into a freezer, especially when we hit the Simpson or any other of our trips where we are going to be away for a couple of weeks. The 25 litre we found would be perfect for just putting our meats and frozen components in there, while the 55 litre fridge is mainly for our fruit and veg. Now, the problem is that I want to use the 25 during the day or whenever we're using it instead of using the big fridge. So I've got the big pull-out slide at the moment. And of course it's got a hole, and it usually just sits around over here. So what I've done is I've cut some board, cut some carpet, and we're just going to stick it on there so I can lash it down nicely and securely. And the other thing that we've actually done is the Bluetti AC180. I have now added another battery to it, and that will extend the life. And believe it or not, I've had it on for the last 3 days, running this fridge at -2, which just keeps the beers and drinks nice and really cold. And it hasn't even touched 99% on the battery at the moment. So I'm going to be just repositioning it, and I'll show you exactly what I've done there after. So stick around and I'll show you exactly what I've been doing. Right, so I put down an adhesive. I've just put it onto the very, very thin board, and all it is just to hide that little hole over there, and so that we can put the 25 litre fridge on here, just make it nice and neat. Right, so what we've done is we've got a wooden structure across. This is no way that it's going to be moving. This is just temporary. You can just take it out and then flat it down. So that hole that was over here, there's now this just board can quickly be removed, and the 55 litre fridge can be put in. And that is that part. And the fridge, -1 at the moment. I've turned it down, and it's really, really keeping the nice and cool. And that's it so far. Next project. So we have now put the Dometic 25 litre in with a false floor, which looks actually pretty nice in comparison. And this is just because there is a big hole over there. But the other thing that I want to show you is this is my additional battery that I've got from Bluetti. This is a B230. And I have installed it temporarily just for on Friday afternoon, about 4 o'clock. And it's still showing 100%. This connector then goes through to my AC180 over there, which I'll show you. And this is like an additional piggyback system. Now, the interesting thing is that it's been running this fridge for 3 days. So it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the moment. And just to give you an idea, that is 99% at the moment. And at the moment, the input is 365, but there's no wattage that's coming out at the moment. The other thing is that I do have a solar panel on the roof from Hardcore, and I've brought it all the way down, and I've connected it up to a DC charging enhancer, which is also known as a D050S. And what actually happens is that my wattage comes in. You can see it's still busy charging. It charges my battery. She's giving my battery 100%. which is now at the moment putting only 370 watts of power into my AC180 and keeping the battery nicely charged. So it's a win-win situation. I've also got USB-C, USB-A. So the USB-C is 100 watts, USB-A is 18 watts, and of course then there is a 12 volt 10 amp cigarette charger on this, and one input which is obviously connected to my charger enhancer, and you'll see that this is flashing saying that it is not used as a normal battery, but it's being used as a secondary battery, which will only work if you've got this on here. So let me show you what I've done. You can see 100%, no input, no output. Remember, over there, the last little light is flashing. That's actually being charged by the solar. Solar goes all the way up to the roof, which I will show you now. And then what I've done is over there, you've got the 240 and the 12 volt enhancer. So that if I ever need to go away and I want to just double check that the batteries are fully charged, I can then charge this one and that one, plug it in, and plug it into 240, which is here. Everything else is absolutely perfect. So this is running my fridge, as I said, nearly 3 days without even dropping a charge because of the battery. Enhancing from the battery through charging to the 180. Brilliant little bit of kit. Will be nicely slashed down, and even this still fits in at the moment. I might put something over there just to make sure that it doesn't move. But there you go. That is now my power unit for running 2 fridges and any 240 volt equipment that I've got up to 1800 watts. Getting everything ready for our longer trips, and I'll show you the solar quickly. So this is a hardcore 170 watt. Mounted it onto the roof, and then I brought the cables all the way through. You can see them here, and all the way down, nice and neat, into a smaller hole over there, which comes out behind that box and feeds right into my 12 volt enhancer, which then feeds into the battery, which battery feeds into the AC180. I know it sounds complicated, but as I had the battery from the AC200, that I might as well use it for the AC180, and I'm so glad that I do. So there you go, guys. Just something else that I'll show you what I have done. I've got mounting brackets for the for the front runner containers. And I've also put a little tap that you can see has been plumbed into one of these water containers. And there will be 20 liters of fresh water. There is a connection. I don't use it like this because I am running out of space. But there is a hose connection that we clip on and bring it all the way down so that we can fill dog bowls or wash our hands and things like that. The only disadvantage of having that extra battery is that I've lost space for all the fishing tackle and our fishing gear, but I would rather have extra power and keep the fishing tackle somewhere else. So anyway, that is a little bit of other things that I've been doing around the ute. Quite a few other bits and pieces that I'm planning and wanting to do. But yeah, 2 fridges ready for our trips away. 25 litre, 55 litre, and one will be used for the freezer. So anyway, guys, have a wonderful day, wonderful week, stay safe, and I'll catch you around. Cheers.